Hey everyone, Michelle Hung here, your Sassy investor. If you're looking to build a portfolio of stocks from scratch because you don't want to invest in exchange traded funds or mutual funds, then this video is for you. Before we get started, hit the subscribe button for more stuff like this. When you're building a portfolio, you want to make sure you build a core first, okay? That is the foundation that sets the stage for everything. Step 1, start by looking at the biggest companies around. If you're in Canada, have a look at the TSX 60 index. It contains 60 of the largest publicly traded companies in Canada. So companies like Bell, Rogers, TELUS, RBC, TD, Shopify, they will definitely be on that list. Likewise, have a look at the S&P 500 index. They contain 500 of the largest publicly traded companies in the US. So companies like Amazon, Apple, Facebook, Walmart, Walt Disney, they will definitely be on that list. So just Google TSX 60 index or S&P 500 index and Wikipedia will show you the list. Step 2. Get to know these companies. Look at their business model, why they are successful, how they make money, why they're profitable, will they continue to be profitable? Make sure you have a mix of different types of stocks, a mix of technology stocks, financial services, consumers, telecommunication. You don't just want to have only sexy technology stocks in your portfolio. That's just like having only shirts in your closet. What's gonna happen? You're gonna be butt-ass naked from the waist down. You don't want that. You need a mix of everything. Step 3, choose a few companies to start adding to your core portfolio. Anywhere between 5 to 20 is a good foundation. Now, if you can only start with 1 or 2, that's cool too. You gotta start somewhere. Step 4, once your foundation has been built and you become more confident as an investor, then you can start adding medium-sized companies and even small-sized companies to your portfolio. They are higher risk. Don't expect every single one of them to be a home run. The key is to have these home runs cover more than your strikeouts. Step 5, continue to educate yourself. That means read investing books. You can start with mine, The Sassy Investor. Now, you can choose whether or not you want to invest in ETFs or individual stocks, or you can do both. No one said you have to do one or the other. Also, books such as One Up on Wall Street. Get the read one. This one. Learn to Earn. Okay, these books by Peter Lynch are a solid start. And of course, The Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham. You will be an intelligent investor. Another good one from a young and brilliant Canadian investor, Robin Spazielli's Capital Compounders. Check that one out. That's all for today. So don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more personal finance and investing tips for you by yours truly, Michelle Hung, your Sassy investor.